This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers, in this video of today we will discuss a program in GW Basic to enter integer type data into an array and then print the values in reverse order. So let's switch to the IDE of GW Basic where we will write a program and execute it and then compile. So here we are. So on line number 10 we will type cls command to clear the contents of the screen. Line number 20 we will type dim a subscript I. Line number 30 we will type for b equal to 1 to 10. Line number 40 we will type input values of array comma a subscript b. Line number 50 we will type next b. Line number 60 we will again use a counter loop for c equal to 10 to 1 step minus 1. Line number 70 we will type print a subscript c. Line number 80 we will type next c. Line number 90 we will type end to end the program. We will press the F4 key and then type reverse .bas, name of the, or we can call it reverse arr.bas, and then we'll press the F3 key and type reverse arr.bas and then press the F2 key. So we can give values like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and we can see the values in the reverse order 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So this is how we can give 10 different values and can generate the and then get the output of all the entered values in the reversal order. So let's discuss this program in detail and discuss the interpretation. So let's discuss the interpretation line by line. So very obvious, on line 10 cls command is used to clear the contents of the screen. On line 20 dim statement is used to declare array variable named a subscript 10. We actually read this as a subscript 10 because 10 is the value of this subscripted variable array variable a. On line 30 for loop we can call for b is used with initial value 1 and final value 10. On line 40 input statement is used with the message values of array which will be prompted and displayed on the screen right after the program is executed. So values of array will be displayed on the screen, where comma is used to give space and a subscript b array variable will be used to store the 10 values because the loop will be executed of loop variable b will be executed 10 times starting from 1 till 10. So 10 times this message will be prompted and displayed on the screen, and 10 times the user will give the 10 different values for which is used to give space and AB array variable will take the input from the user to give 10 different values, for which the values in the reverse order will be displayed on the screen. On line 50, next B is used to close, terminate the for B loop on line 30. On line 60, for C counter loop is used with initial value 10 and final value 1 with step -1, means that this loop will be executed in reverse order and with a decrement of 1. So this step is optional. If you want to execute the loop in the forward direction and you don't want to give the increment, then automatically there will be an increment of 1. But if you want to execute the loop in the reversal order, means that the initial value is the larger than the final value, then you have to mention the step keyword with the minus this value, and you need to display the decrement value. Like here we wanted to give the decrement of 1, then we should mention -1 with the step keyword, so it is compulsory. But if you want to execute the loop in the forward direction, like we have executed above over here, we have given the initial value 1 and 10 is the final value, and then we wanted to increment the loop with 1, then there is an increment of 1, so there is no need to write the step keyword and to mention the number of steps. But here the loop was executed in the reverse order, so we must have to mention the step keyword with the decrement value. So we wanted the step value 1, decrement of 1, so we have mentioned step -1 over here. And then on line 70, print A subscript C is used, which will display the values in reverse order, the 10 values in reverse order that was input by the user in forward order, on line 40. So actually on line 40 is used to prompt this message values of the array on the screen 10 times, and this array variable A subscript B will be used to execute the loop every time for 10 times, and every time 10 times the loop will be executed. Every time this message values of array will be displayed on the screen, and every time the user can give different value, and in the end this whole loop will store this 10 values in this variable A subscript B. Since we wanted to show the values in the reverse order, so we need to execute the loop in the reverse order, so we have used this loop on line 60 for C is equal to 10 to 1. So this loop will be executed in the reverse order with a decrement of 1, so we have used step keyword with -1 value. So this Now this array variable AC contains all the values which are stored in A subscript B 10 values in the reverse order. So we actually wanted to display the reverse with the values in the reverse order, so we have used this subscript A subscript C with the statement print, because print statement is used to display the output on the screen, and this next C is used to terminate the for C loop on line 60. So we will type over here line 70 print AC. C is used, which will display the 10 values in the reverse order that was input by the user in forward order on line 40, and on line 80 next C is used to terminate, or you can call it close, the for C loop on line 60. Actually, this loop will be executed 10 times, but in reverse order, with a decrement of 1, which is actually decrement of 1 using the keyword step -1, which is important to mention in the program when we are executing the loop in reverse order. So on line 90 we have used the keyword end to end and close the program. On line 90, end statement is used to end close the program. So that's all, and we have discussed the whole program, how all these 10 values are entered by using the array, and then print all the 10 values in the reverse order. So with the help of array we can give multiple values at a time by using a single variable. So actually array is a collection of a consecutive memory location of same data type, so we can store multiple values by using array, and then we can display all those stored values in the reverse order as well by using the same array. But the loop of the reversal order should be in the reverse order, like the initial value must be larger than the final value, and the step -1 or step -2 and step -3 can be used because we are executing the loop in the reverse order. So minus some symbol should be used over here with the step keyword, which is a keyword which is used to decrement or increment the value in a counter loop for. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video, and keep watching my videos and for upgrading the knowledge for a GW basic programming language. That's all.